Wondering how to add funds to your iTrustCapital account? We have you covered. Once in your dashboard, select the account you wish to fund and click the Add Funds button. There are 3 ways to fund your account: a cash contribution, a transfer from other IRAs, or a rollover from previous employer plans. Next, select your desired funding source: ACH electronic debit, a bank wire, or a check, and submit all other necessary information that follows. Once your form is filled out, click the Submit button. Please note, if you initiated a cash contribution, your funding instructions will be located under the Funding Instructions section within your account homepage. If you initiated a rollover, we will email you the appropriate funding instructions once the process is initiated. Disclaimer: we are not able to fund these accounts with crypto unless they are coming from another crypto IRA. If you have additional questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact us through our support page or give us a call. Our team is here to help.